Welcome to Review Rumble. The best boy toys is probably one of the most exciting categories to explore when shopping for your little one. Today, we're diving into the top-selling toys perfect for 2-year-old boys. From building blocks to ride-on toys, we'll explore what makes these products stand out. Get ready to discover the perfect gifts that will bring joy and spark imagination in your toddler's playtime. Number 5. Prextex 2-pack cartoon RC cars for toddlers. Introducing the Prextex 2-pack cartoon RC cars. This set includes 2 cars, a police car and a race car. They have unique frequencies so both can race together. Designed for toddlers, each car comes with a steering wheel-shaped controller. It has only 2 buttons, making it easy to control forward and reverse. It's perfect for little hands. Get ready for fun. These cars feature realistic sirens, honking sounds, and bright headlights. These features will make playtime more engaging for your little ones. Setting up is a breeze. Each car requires 3 AA batteries, and each remote needs 2 AA batteries. Just install the batteries and let the fun begin, indoors or on any smooth surface. These Prextex toys are child-safe and provide hours of imaginative play. They make thoughtful gifts for holidays or birthdays. Give the gift of fun. What we like. This set includes 2 cars, perfect for racing with friends or siblings. The steering wheel controllers are easy for little hands to manage. If you're looking for a toy that encourages interactive play and friendly competition, you should consider this one. It's a great way to keep them entertained. What people say. The toy is well made and durable. The design is very engaging for young children. The features are interactive and keep the child entertained. Number 4. Toddler Wooden Racetrack Car Ramp Racer. This toddler ramp racetrack toy is made of high-quality wood and non-toxic paint. It meets the highest safety standards. You don't have to worry about small parts or harmful materials, it's designed with your child's safety in mind. Watch as the cars race down the rainbow track from the top parking lot. This feature enhances visual tracking skills and provides hours of fun. When playtime is over, the child can easily store the cars, teaching them about organization. This compact and sturdy toy is the perfect gift for toddlers. It comes with everything needed and is easy to store. It's great for indoor and outdoor play, making it an ideal present for birthdays or any special occasion. This simple toy boosts hand-eye coordination and attention span. It encourages sharing and communication as children take turns. Through play, they develop dexterity and learn through repetition, making it a fun and educational experience. Specifically designed for 1- and 2-year-olds, the track is perfectly sized for the cars. It's a thoughtful gift that prioritizes safety and your satisfaction. This toy is all about providing a fun and secure playtime experience for your little one. What we like. This wooden racetrack is made with safe, non-toxic materials, ensuring peace of mind for parents. The unique top parking lot adds an extra element of fun. If you have a toddler who loves cars and enjoys a bit of a challenge, this is the perfect choice. It's designed to promote learning through play. What people say. Our child loves this toy. Its simple, interactive design allows your child to quickly catch on for hours of play. Sturdy little toy. The little cars zip down the tracks. My 2.5-year-old grandson enjoyed it. I appreciate that this came fully assembled. It seems well made and durable. The little cars zoom down the tracks, which amused my grandson. Number 3. Nicmore 5-in-1 construction truck toys for toddlers. This amazing set includes a big construction truck and 4 mini vehicles, an excavator, crane, mixer, and dumper. It's designed to spark your child's imagination and provide hours of fun. This is the perfect gift for any occasion. These construction car toys are made with high-quality, durable, and soft plastic. The smooth design ensures they are completely safe for kids. It's a great gift for boys, perfect for birthdays or Christmas. Just push the big truck forward, and it will roll on its own, carrying the mini vehicles. You can separate the cab and trailer to unload the smaller cars. The mini cars also move forward when pushed, providing endless fun. Press the button on the cab, and you'll see flashing lights and hear realistic siren sounds for 8 seconds. This feature adds to the excitement and makes playtime even more engaging. It's perfect for little ones. This construction trailer toy comes in a beautifully designed gift box. It's great for playing at home, in the sand, or at the beach. It's a highly recommended gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special event. What we like. This set includes a big construction truck and 4 mini vehicles, offering a variety of play options. The materials are designed to be safe for kids. If you're looking for a toy that sparks imagination and provides hours of fun, you should consider this one. It's a great way to introduce them to the world of construction. What people say. Made well. Vibrant colors and parts work well, wheels etc. Overall a very nice toy but smaller than expected. Will keep them busy for a long time. Number 2. Top Bright Car Ramp Toy for Toddlers. This amazing toy is perfect for toddlers aged 18 months to 3 years old. It features a fun racetrack with multiple features to keep your little one entertained. The design includes parking lots, garages, a gas station, and a repair shop. The cars can start from the parking lots and race down the track, improving visual tracking. Made with high-quality, BPA-free materials and non-toxic paint, this toy meets the highest safety standards. The cars are also tested for durability, ensuring they can withstand playtime. This toy encourages hand-eye coordination and attention span. It also helps toddlers learn to cooperate and communicate while playing with others. The compact design makes it easy to store, and it's suitable for indoor and outdoor play. It's a great gift for birthdays, Christmas, or any special occasion. You'll get the wooden car ramp toy and 4 ramp racers. We are committed to customer satisfaction, so feel free to contact us with any questions. What we like. This car ramp toy features a parking lot, garages, and a gas station, creating a realistic play environment. The materials are safe and durable. If you like toys that promote imaginative play and learning, you should consider this one. It's a great choice for developing essential skills. What people say. Excellent car ramp with little garages underneath for the cars to be stored. The cars are really cool going down and you can also park them in the garages, which he always does. The track is sturdy, brightly colored, and well made from wood and child-safe paint. Number 1. Hamourd RC Emo Robot, Fun and Educational Toy. This amazing robot is perfect for kids aged 5 and up. It's a fun and engaging toy that will keep them entertained for hours. Watch as the robot's LED eyes light up and change expressions. It also has a smart voice that can sing songs and talk to your child. The robot can move forward, backward, left, and right. It can also dance with its flexible arms and head, providing hours of fun. With the 2.4 GHz remote control, it's easy for kids to operate. The one-click demonstration mode allows the robot to perform automatically. This robot helps children develop operational skills and imagination. The joyful singing stimulates their language skills, promoting healthy development. Looking for a great gift? This robot is an ideal choice for birthdays or holidays. It comes with everything needed for immediate fun. You'll receive the robot, remote control, charging cable, screwdriver, user manual, and batteries for the controller. Get ready for fun. What we like. This robot has a flexible head and arms, and can even dance and sing. The remote control is easy to use. If you are looking for a toy that combines fun and learning, you should consider it. It's a great way to introduce them to technology. What people say. This intelligent robot friend is a perfect gift for a younger child. It will provide hours of entertainment for your youngster as it spins around the room at a quick pace, while moving its arms and making noises. Its eyes even light up. The robot is able to tackle hardwood as well as carpet. The Hamourd robot toy has been an incredible addition to our household, captivating both boys and girls with its interactive features and educational value. This robot is more than just a toy, it's a learning companion and a source of endless entertainment. Design and features. The sleek design of the Hamourd robot toy immediately caught my children's attention. It's built with durable materials that can withstand the energetic play of young kids. The vibrant lights and interactive buttons make it an engaging toy that holds their interest for hours. One of the standout features is its voice recognition and response system. The robot can follow commands, tell stories, and even answer questions, which has greatly stimulated my children's curiosity and language skills. The educational games included in the robot's programming are both fun and challenging, promoting critical thinking and problem-solving skills. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.